Dreaming of opening your own bakery? Here's your step-by-step guide. First, decide on your bakery concept. Will you focus on artisan breads, cakes, or pastries? Research your target market and competitors to find your unique selling point. Next, write a business plan outlining your vision, menu, pricing, and financial projections. Secure the necessary permits and licenses, which often include a food handler's license and health inspection approval. Find a location with high foot traffic and enough space for baking equipment and display. Invest in quality appliances like mixers, ovens, and refrigerators. Source your ingredients from reliable suppliers and test your recipes to ensure consistency and taste. Design a welcoming storefront and create a memorable brand with a catchy name and logo. Hire and train staff who share your passion for baking and customer service. Set up accounting systems to track expenses and revenue. Finally, market your bakery using social media, local events, and partnerships with nearby businesses. With dedication and planning, your bakery can rise to sweet success.